Need some step-by-step instructions on how to massage your baby the right way safely. Follow these tips on how to do a baby massage. Legs and feet. Hold baby's heel in one hand with your other hand. Start at the top of the thigh and slowly stroke all the way down to the ankle, gently squeezing the leg as you go, as if you were milking a cow. Reverse the motion and go from ankle to thigh. Then rub the feet with your thumbs, gently uncurling and stroking the toes. Switch legs. You can do these same strokes on the arms and hands. Head. Start with your hands on both sides of baby's head. Then run your hands down both sides of his body, from his head to his toes. Next, draw tiny circles on your baby's head with your fingertips. Face. Fold your hands as if you were praying on baby's forehead, then gently push outward from the center. Next, use your thumb to draw a smile on your baby's face by stroking from one cheek, across the upper lip to the other cheek. Repeat on the lower lip. Chest. Fold your hands on baby's chest, then push out to the sides as if you were smoothing the pages of an open book. Tummy. With your fingertips, draw an oval below baby's belly button. Move clockwise to follow the natural path of digestion. Next, walk your fingertips from one side of your baby's belly to the other, on the diagonal, as if you were making an X. Backstroke his back side to side and then up and down. Here's what to keep in mind before you give your newborn an infant massage. Consider massaging baby around the same time every day so that he comes to expect and enjoy it. What time's best? There's no best time really. In general, you want to choose a time when you're not feeling rushed, so don't try to squeeze in a session while dinner's cooking or you've got the washer and dryer going, or when your baby isn't hungry, since he won't enjoy the belly rubs if his belly's empty or too full. He'll likely spit up his supper. You won't make that mistake twice. Sure, you don't need oil to rub your little one the right way, but it'll be more pleasant for both of you if your hands glide more easily over baby's body. Coconut oil is a good option since it is easily absorbed into a baby's skin and easily digested when your little one sucks on his hands or fingers. Only use a dab and stay away from baby oil or mineral oil, they clog the pores. And mix nut oils too because of the potential for allergies. Ideally, the room should be warm at least 75 degrees Fahrenheit, so your nearly naked newborn doesn't catch a chill while he's chilling during your massage. You can massage little one on the changing table, your bed, put a towel underneath to avoid oil stains on your comforter, or even on the rug, use a towel there too. Add some soothing background music or simply use the time to talk and sing to baby. No one likes to be massaged when they're not in the mood, and that's also true for your baby. If he turns away, frowns or cries when you put your hands on him, save the session for later. And remember, you don't have to give him a full body massage every time. If baby decides he's had enough after you've rubbed his legs and feet, that's okay too. Don't apply too much pressure or it will be overpowering. Another smart tip from the Infant Massage Playbook: stroking away from the heart from shoulder to wrist, for example, is relaxing and therefore better suited for pre-nap or pre-bedtime massages. Stroking toward the heart from wrist to shoulder is more stimulating and better suited for when your baby will be awake and active. You can also do a combo.